Hi, this is Gina at Art of Skincare, and today I want to talk to you about something really important. I want to talk to you about preventative aging and collagen. There are many products and tools out there that help with collagen loss, but there's not much information available to you, the consumer, about collagen damage. So today we're going to talk about the difference between collagen loss and collagen damage and what you can do to protect your skin. There are many products on the market for collagen loss. We all know what collagen loss is. When you see collagen loss in your skin, it looks like a thinning of the skin and it's a loss of plumpness. When we have lots of healthy collagen in the skin, our skin is like a baby's bottom, right? It's like plump and juicy. But when we spend time out in the sun and time on this planet, we begin to suffer from collagen loss. And we look for products and tools that are going to plump that collagen or actually increase that collagen production. And those are important. But today what I want to talk to you about is collagen damage. Because when we have damaged collagen, it looks a bit different than collagen loss. Collagen damage generally comes from two different sources. So one of them, and you may have heard this term before, is called glycation. Glycation is caused by sugar. We call it sugar-induced aging. The other kind of collagen damage that we see is elastosis. And elastosis usually happens from sun damage. That's right. Sun actually causes us to lose collagen, and it also damages our collagen. Glycation and elastosis both have a similar look on the skin. You really can barely tell them apart. When you have collagen damage, what you're going to see is a roughening of the skin texture. You're going to see deepening lines and a stiffening of those lines on the face. It almost looks like there is a layer of lines or a layer of plaque on top of your skin. So there's like an extra layer of skin on there, and it often has a little bit of a yellowish cast to it. So when we have damaged collagen, we need to treat it a little differently. We need to give it some extra support more than when we just have collagen loss. So today, that's what I want to share with you. How can we prevent damage to our collagen layer? So the first thing that we need to do when we're going to talk about preventing collagen damage is take a look at our lifestyle. So number one, of course, is limiting the amount of time that we spend in the sun, wearing sun protection, sun hats, using a broad spectrum natural mineral sunscreen on your face. All of those are going to help protect you from elastosis. Now, to protect your skin from glycation, that's where we need to reduce sugar intake. So eliminate the white sugar in your diet. Eliminate fruit juices, any of those high sugar things, alcohol. You've really got to limit or eradicate all alcohol consumption if you really want to take a radical, strong approach to preventing that damaged DNA on your skin. There's a few things though that you can also take internally that will help with glycation and help with elastosis. So one thing that you can do internally is you can take liposomal glutathione along with essential C. These two together work together to prevent glycation of the skin. So that's that sugar-induced collagen damage. Now, an important supplement for those of you who are sun lovers, or you're outdoors a lot, you're working out, exercising like me, then you'll want to look at Pure Encapsulation's astaxanthin. That's your internal sunscreen, and that's really going to help protect your DNA from the sun. So one other product that we've talked about many times on my channel is Collagen Love. So Collagen Love is going to help keep your collagen production healthy, and it's going to also help prevent damage to your collagen layer. So those are some few things that you can do internally with some supplementation. Now I want to talk about Rhonda Allison, because there are many skincare lines out there that are just fabulous, but most of them really focus on collagen loss. And there are many products out there that work on stimulating collagen production so that we don't have that thinning of the skin. But there are very few that go after that glycation or that elastosis of the skin. When we have elastosis, then the peptides, the proteins in the skin actually stiffen up, and those lines on the face get very demarked and very deep and just inflexible. So when you're seeing that, you know your elastic fibers are getting inflexible and rigid. We need to go after that with some specialized products. And Rhonda Allison brings those to us, thankfully. I'm going to go through some of the Rhonda Allison products that I love, and hopefully you can pick and choose from these and try them in your skincare routine and see how they help with your premature signs of aging if you're seeing some damage to your collagen, or if you want to prevent damage to your collagen layer. Specifically for the daytime, Rhonda has two serums that I really love. One of them is the Pro Youth. It's the Vita 10 Complex. She also has the resveratrol, can you say that right? Resveratrol B3 gel. These two are key for really protecting your collagen layer during the daytime. Vita 10 increases your healthy elastin and strengthens your collagen layer, where resveratrol B3 increases elasticity and protects against DNA damage. So these are your perfect products to use every morning to really protect your collagen and your elastin fibers. So in the PM, Rhonda has 3 corrective products that you can use. Corrective products mean they have some acid in there or some retinol in there that are going to be really effective for smoothing that rough texture on the skin. One of them is Mandelic Rejuvenator. Mandelic Rejuvenator increases collagen and addresses that loss of elasticity. The other is a very gentle vitamin A serum. It's called Stem Cell A. This uses an encapsulated retinaldehyde, and what that does is it stimulates healthy collagen and elastin production and strengthens the cellular matrix. Then the strongest corrective that she has for dealing with collagen damage is Retinol Supreme. And by far, this is my favorite retinol serum in all of Art of Skincare. And I only use this in the fall and winter months because it's our stronger retinol. But I love it. So what Retinol Supreme does is it actually softens those hardened protein fibers in the skin, and it also stimulates collagen production. So those correctives can be used 1 to 3 times per week to really help smooth and soften the skin and that rough texture. Now you also want to be feeding your skin good nutrients. So Rhonda has a couple of really great serums to use in the nighttime. Sometimes it's confusing with Rhonda which serums to use in the daytime and which you use in the nighttime. So if you need help with that, reach out to our customer service, but always you can go to the description of the products and I've actually put it in there for you. This is a PM serum or this is an AM serum. So PM serums that actually work to protect your skin are Ageless and Peptide 38. So Ageless was designed to actually soften stiff protein. So when you're starting to see that stiffening of the lines in the face, Ageless is that first nighttime nourishing serum that you want to get a hold of. The other serum that I have here is Peptide 38. Peptide 38 was designed to reduce elastosis. This is really going to go to work on your elastin fibers and keep them nice and stretchy and elastic. It's also going to stimulate collagen and stimulate new elastin production. The final product that I want to show you today is Rhonda Allison's Elite Luxe Hydration. Elite Luxe Hydration is a fantastic moisturizer when you're really seeing a hardening of the fibers and deepening the lines. It's very moisturizing. This is perhaps one of Rhonda's most moisturizing moisturizers, and it also works to reduce the elastosis and it increases elastin and collagen production. The growth factors in this cream really help to heal that damaged DNA that contributes to the damaged collagen. Those are my favorite Rhonda Allison products for dealing with and treating damaged collagen. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, reach out to us at live chat at Art of Skincare. We're always there for you. Have a great day.